Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can back up your contacts in your Google account. So it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just simply go to your contacts, then open your contact folder. Now over here, all you have to do is just simply hit the setting icon at the top right corner. So it may be different in different versions of different phones like Samsung or Sony or anything. So it should be in the general area or in the setting. So just simply go to the settings of your contacts, and over there you will find the import and export contact option. So just simply click on import and export contacts and choose export to storage. So as you can see over here, the name of the file which is going to get exported is 000 and 02.vcf. So all you have to do is just simply hit OK, and your contact is now saved in your phone. Now, in order for you to upload these contacts in a Google account, what you have to do is just simply close this contact panel first. Then just simply open your Google Chrome and open a new tab. Now over here, just simply search for Google. Then just simply go to the Google search engine. Now over here, what you have to do is just simply click on the dotted box. Now over here, just simply choose contacts. Now if you want, you can also download the application for Google Contacts, but I will show you in this one. So now in Contacts, just simply choose the email address that you want to upload all your contacts into. Now all you have to do is just simply click on the three lines at the top left corner, or you can also choose the import contacts at the bottom right corner, which is highlighted as blue. So just simply choose any one of them, and it will ask you to attach a contacts file. So all you have to do is just simply click on select file, then go to your file location where your contact is saved. As you can see over here, 00002.vcf. So just simply click on it and click on import. So as you can see, all of our contacts has been imported into our Google account. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.